Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with the Glitter Girls. This is another collaboration. This one is Thanksgiving and autumn and things like that. We got to sort of choose what we wanted to do really, and a few people have chosen to do sort of what they see outside, the scenery and things like that. So that's sort of had an influence on the colours that I've used in this set. So yeah, this is like sort of a bit sad because it's the last autumn set that I'm doing, but I'm really excited because it means that what we're going to be on to winter and winter nails and Christmas nails, and I want to do loads of Christmas nails this time, so I'm going to try and do as many sets as I can, but we'll see just how many I actually get done. So yeah, so back to this video anyway. So on the little finger I have put 2 coats of Aimeili's black, which is 007, and then I'm using this Modelones colour on 2 of the nails. This is called Bing Cherries and I love this one. I'm just going to show you me putting 1 coat on, and you can see that it is really sheer, so you could have that as sort of a jelly colour, but I put 2 coats on to make it a bit more opaque, but it is still you know, sort of translucent when it's got 2 coats on, so I love that about this colour. I think it's like a really autumny colour, so I love that. So the next colour that I'm going to be using is also Modelones. This is Dancing Cinderella. It's a really nice grey colour. This is from the mini set, the 16-piece set that I reviewed recently. So if you've not seen this that video, go and have a look at that, because there are 16 gorgeous colours and they're all in these little mini bottles, and I absolutely love all of them. So I wanted to use a few in this set. But yeah, I'm going to put 2 coats of the Dancing Cinderella on, and then I'm going to just get the next colour, the darker colour, that is called Afternoon Tea, and then I'm going to sort of do diagonal across. So I'm going to do the sort of bottom right hand corner in this colour. I wanted to do like a gel polish fade, but I didn't really have time to be messing about with it. And I knew that I'd end up messing it up, so I just decided to do this instead, and I really liked how it turned out. But I am going to try and do sort of a grey ombre look, I think, in the future. That might be one of the Christmas ones, it might not, I'm not sure yet. So yeah, when I've got that on, I'm then going to cure that, and then I'm going to show you what glitter I'm going to use. No, I'm not yet. I forgot about this one. So this is a cat eye one. You might have been able to see there I had the red one with sort of the line down the middle because I wanted that on, and then I thought, well no, because I've got the middle finger grey, so I'm going to just use the grey on this one. So I've done that, and then I've got the magnet, and I didn't want it just the line in the middle. I wanted it sort of to light up a little bit. So after a bit of faffing, I kind of got it to how I wanted it to look. So yeah, when I was happy with that, I put that in the lamp for 30 seconds and cured that. Okay, so what I'm going to use is these leaves. So I got those, I think it says Glitter Armour on there, and these are different coloured leaves that I got. I think I just got those from eBay. And I'm using a couple of Smileys glitters, Candy Red Disco. That's that one, that's really fine, and also this Gunmetal one, which is a fine as well. Now the red one, the silver one wasn't too bad, but that red one got absolutely everywhere, and it was like really staticky, so it stuck to absolutely everything. I did this video a few days ago and I'm still finding this glitter absolutely everywhere. So yeah, there's a warning for that one. I absolutely love it, but it does stick to everything. Maybe that's just because of the size and because it's so light, I'm not sure. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a base coat on, and I'm going to leave that base coat wet so that I can just put some of these leaves and the glitter onto this ring finger. So I'm just going to do like a little line, diagonal lines of the glitter, and then I'm going to put the leaves in the middle for that nail. And then on the index finger, I am going to pat it onto the nail, then I'm going to press it down quite hard and brush it a little bit, try and burnish it in a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with some base coat, leave it wet again. Sorry, I'm going to cure the base coat before I burnish the glitter in. Then when I've done that, I'm going to go in with a wet base coat, and then I'm going to press the glitter into that wet base coat and then cure it again. So I was just going to do a glitter fade on this nail, but I couldn't help myself because I loved it so much, and so I just stuck it on everywhere. I put loads on. Yeah, I need to have a bit of restraint with the glitter, but I just can't. I'm awful with the glitter. I love it too much. So yeah, I'm just onto the grey nail now. So I'm putting the base coat on sort of down that diagonal line, and then I'm just covering that up with the glitter. So that's why I wasn't too bothered about it being really straight and everything, because this is going over the top. I am going to do some freehand over the top of this, so even the glitter, it doesn't really matter if it's perfect or not. I was just really having a bit of a play with these glitters, because I've had them for a while but I've not really used them, these fine ones, so just having a bit of play, seeing how they work. Because I'm used to using glitter mixes, you know, with all the different sizes and shapes and everything in. I'm not really used to using this fine stuff on its own. I suppose people really start off with that, don't they? But I've gone backwards, and I've gone for all the chunky stuff first, and then I'm coming back to the fine glitter now. Okay, so there's just a little bit going on that little finger. And then I'm going to put some more leaves on the index finger, and then I'm going to top coat everything. So after that top coat's cured, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more top coat over the top, just on the cuticle area of the middle finger and the little finger, and I'm just going to put some of these gems on. And then I was going to leave it at that, and then I decided no, I wasn't really happy with the middle nail, so I wanted to do a bit of freehand. So I wanted to draw like a tree with no leaves on it. So what I do is I use the Aimeili black polish. I just put a little bit on the silicone mat, and then I use the fine liner brush just to paint the tree on. But what I'll do is I'll just put the music back on now, and then you can just watch me do that, because it took absolutely ages, because as you know, I'm not brilliant with freehand, and it took me a while. I was happy with it in the end, but it took me a while, so I've cut a lot out and I've sped it up, so you can watch how I do that. Wait for me, yeah. Okay, so I've top coated that off camera and here they are all together. I really love this set. I was really pleased with it. So yeah, I hope you like this video too. Please watch everyone else's videos. There will be a playlist in the description box. And as usual, thank you so much to Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station for organising this, doing the photos and the Instagram list. So yeah, if you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell button so you get notified when I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one. If you've got any suggestions for any winter nails, let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Bye!